Alright, good morning, welcome back. Today I'm here at the end of Farrington Hwy, and the plan is to head up to Kaena Point from the North Shore. Having some, may see it later, having some pretty good surf going today. Now I haven't been on big hikes for a while, and the reason is pretty simple. Unfortunately, I developed a hernia. I went to see a specialist yesterday, probably have to do an operation, so I'm gonna have to take it a little bit easier from now on. So this trail should be just perfect. It's nice and cloudy and cool today. Okay, let's go. Aloha. Here you can see one of the leftovers of the old railroads used to go around Kaena Point. There obviously used to be a bridge here, and that's pretty much the track we're gonna follow from here on. Let's go. Now this trail can be pretty busy normally, not today, and the reason for that is we have some heavy rain offshore over Kauai, and I hope it's not going to move over here. I hope. Made it out here to Kaena Point. So far I've been lucky with the weather. Looks like the rain is just staying over Kauai for now. We even got a Hawaiian Monk Seal. Gonna show you that in a second here. Beautiful trip. Okay, now let's slowly start to head back. Aloha. made it back, probably windy. 4 hours, 7 miles, plenty of checking out the seals, the birds, beautiful trip, no rain. See you tomorrow, aloha.